Here's how to cook up some love from scratch. Our sages teach us that the recipe for developing love is based on the Hebrew word for love, ahava. The root of ahava is hav, to give. The main ingredient of love is giving. It might sound too easy to be true, but giving isn't all that easy. Consider this situation. A grocer gives you the vegetables you need for dinner, but he expects payment. He's giving so he can get paid. That's called taking. Few people write thank you cards to their grocers. Similarly, expecting your spouse to repay you for something nice you did is not true giving. That's a transaction. That's taking. True giving is one-sided, unconditional. You give without expecting anything in return. But there's yet another component to giving, which is just as important. Meet Rose. The two things she loves most are her husband Rob and baking. Baking is her passion, and she always wins first place in baking contests. She spends hours in the kitchen baking delicious treats for Rob, and she thinks he must feel fortunate that he gets to eat them anytime he wants. Rob is happy to see his wife doing what she loves, but he doesn't like sweets. He compliments Rose on her baking, but he doesn't really enjoy eating them. Rose is giving what she wants and not what he wants. Even though Rose makes them for Rob, he feels a lack of meaningful connection. Since they don't have kesher, Rose doesn't know what he wants. True kesher is not only understanding your spouse's needs, but also providing for them unconditionally. Oftentimes we give what we want to give or what we would have wanted others to give us. That's not true giving. Simple things can go a long way, like a heartfelt note, an understanding smile, or an encouraging word. Each marriage is special and unique. When we spend time discovering each other's needs and fulfilling them without expecting anything in return, then the love will flow and the marriage will grow. Everything else is just icing on the cake.